Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Adobe AcroTray.exe from starting up at startup on your Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is tap the Control-Alt-Delete key on your keyboard at the same time, and then you're going to go ahead and select Task Manager. Select the Startup tab, and now you want to go ahead and locate AcroTray if it's listed in here, and you would go ahead and right click on it and disable. Again, it would say AcroTray, AcroTray. You can also close out of here and open up Windows Services as well. So if you type in Services and go ahead and open that up, and you locate the Adobe Acrobat Update service, double click on it. You would set startup type to disabled and you would stop the service. Select apply and OK and close out of here. And you could also do one further step as well if you open up the search menu and type in Task Scheduler and you open that up. And then you can go down this list here underneath task name and see if you see anything that says Adobe Acrobat Update Task, for example, you could double click on it. And on the right side, you could disable the task. And again, you can just check the list here and just disable anything if you choose to do so. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.